Peace, family. You've been asking for a video. I felt you and I did hear you, okay? So I'm going to share a little about LivHer Cleanse by Sacred Warrior Luminates. This is our LivHer Cleanse and the intention behind it, okay? So physically, the liver is one of the most vital organs in the body. Every drop of blood you make passes through it. It filters toxins, supports digestion, balances hormones, and plays a major role in circulation and inflammation. Now, the Sacred Warrior Luminates, we like to correlate the spiritual aspect as well because we are spiritual and physical. So spiritually, the liver is associated with movement and release. When emotions are suppressed or stress is held over time, the body can store that tension. The feminine principle represents flow, circulation, and receptivity. So actually, the liver is a feminine organ because it also represents flow, circulation, and receptivity. This energy exists in all of us, men and women alike. When flow is restored, the body remembers how to soften and balance itself. So LivHer means live her. It's about allowing the body to move, release, and restore instead of forcing or suppressing. This cleanse is warming, circulatory, and supportive. It's designed to encourage liver and kidney flow. Just a gentle disclaimer, this offering is meant to support the body's natural processes. It's not a substitute for medical care, and I always encourage everyone to listen to their body and consult their healthcare provider if needed, okay? LivHer Cleanse is an invitation to restore flow, to release stagnation, and reconnect with your body's natural intelligence. When we live in flow, we live in harmony and in alignment. Peace, love, and light always.